Here are the 4 best ways to clean a cast iron grill pan. Coarse salt and water. Sprinkle a generous amount of coarse kosher salt into the pan and add a small amount of water to form a paste. Use a sponge to scrub the paste around the pan. Finally, rinse the pan under hot water, repeating steps if necessary. Coarse salt. Sprinkle the top of the pan with a generous amount of coarse kosher salt. Use a folded paper towel to rub the salt into the stuck-on food. Add more salt as needed as you scrub the pan with the paper towel. Use a new paper towel to wipe down the pan. Finally, dump all residue and salt into the trash. Soap. Place a small amount of non-abrasive soap in the middle of your pan. Scrub down all surfaces on the pan with soap and a small amount of hot water. Rinse the pan with hot water. Take a sponge or non-abrasive pad and scrub once more around the pan with soap. Finally, rinse off any remaining soap residue. Boiling water. Fill the pan with enough water to cover the bottom and begin to boil. After a few minutes, food particles should begin to float to the surface. Use a spatula and scrape between the ridges to loosen up any excess stuck-on food. Allow the pan to cool, then dump the water and residue. Finally, rinse the pan with hot water and dry it thoroughly with a paper towel. Remember to apply oil to your cast iron pan after every wash and re-season regularly to protect it from rust and other damage.